Hi, my name is Steve Haith with DSG Industrial Cleaning Systems. I'd like to introduce Shay Torek of Redemptorist Services Center. Shay was kind enough to invite us in to do a little disinfecting in his clothing closet. Shay, before I get started, can you tell us a little bit about Redemptorist Social Services Center?
Yes, thank you. Redemptorist Social Services Center has been a lifeline to our community, helping the poor and the homeless with things such as emergency financial assistance, food, clothing, and hygiene items.
We really appreciate this opportunity, and let's get started disinfecting.
Thank you.
Thanks. We discovered some mold, so we switched to the Victory handheld. Vinyl oxide is a great mold remediator. It kills mold